To do the 10 keypad lessons, you go to the Keyboarding Online website, log in as you did for the keyboard mastery lessons with the school name, which is DMAC1, and the password, which also is DMAC1. Once you sign in, you will choose the 10 key mastery icon, and you'll choose your class, and then you will choose your name, and you'll put in the password your instructor has assigned you. If it doesn't come up, it's possible that you changed your password and you need to go back to the 4560 password. Many students have that problem. There you will get a message from me. You can read that and close it. When you get to this menu, the thing you need to do first is the introduction. This explains how the 10 key lessons are done, the correct fingering, and please work through these lessons using correct fingers. If you do not have a keypad on your computer, find one that does, or you can buy an extension. This explains how the program works and each lesson, so that you do not have any questions when you get started with the lessons. Then you go back to the menu screen. Now this is a part where you will be working the most, here in the green section. It is important that you do both the standard lessons and the optional. Notice, standard lessons, you'll get a request for an access code, but you do not need to purchase an access code, so just choose Close, and it will start with lessons 1. You only need to do lessons 1, 2, 8, 15, and 22. Your best score should be 8,000 with 97, better than 97%. That's the minimum level for employment in the Des Moines area by temporary agencies. So we've set that there for you. To start, just like with the keyboard mastery, you click on time remaining and you key in the numbers. 1-4, enter. 1-4, enter. 4-7, enter. However, unlike the mastery for the keyboard, you can make backspace corrections. It'll take time, but it will improve your score. When you are done, move on to the next lesson. Of course, it says lesson incomplete because I did not finish the lesson. I am only using this as example. So you will do the standard lessons, you will do the optional lessons. Then part of the test, like a final test, is the employment test. And this is, again, you choose Close when you get that window. You are verifying checks for a bank. Here is the number over here, and you key it in. When you are ready to begin, simply key in the number down here. Put your cursor in, key in 4712. Notice I did not put in the decimal point. 04, I did not need to put in the decimal point. 924985, I did not put in the comma or the decimal point. You do not need to put in any of those incidentals. Just key in the numbers. And of course, your ideal is to get 8,000 with better than 97%. 8,000 is an A. Yeah, that's why I encourage you to go for that. Once you have done the lessons, both the standard and the optional and the employment test, you are done with the lessons required for keyboarding on the 10 keypad. Then you need to do the final test for keyboarding ADM 105. Thank you, and I wish you success. Contact me if you have any questions.